been dealing with motherhood for a very long time, and I'm not gonna lie, it has taken a lot of me from me. Guys, if you like this video, like I said, this is going to be very short. So cute, I love it, and I think I'm going to do more.
Hey, it's Becca, and y'all welcome.
Anyways, good morning guys. Today is Sabbath, and yeah, I'm on my way to church. Nothing too much. I'm just going to the house of the Lord.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but
So I just came back from church and I want to unbox this set of pots.
hold you close and let you go, find someone new. Now I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your amity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna
How is the
wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go.
Traveled yesterday from Lagos to Ibadan because the kids are on break and I have so many activities to do here in Ibadan. So today is going to be like I have like 4 places or 3 places to go today. First, I have to make my hair. I want to do like a sew-in. I've never done that in ages, and I really love that style, so I want to like do it today. After that, I have an event. My friend gave birth yesterday, and I promised that I will see her today, so I have to go to the hospital to see her and the newborn. I'm so happy, like I'm so happy. So I really want to see her before the name ceremony.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling on FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79.
Hi guys, I'm so late. It's almost 2:20 and I'm supposed to be there by I think 1, but I'm going now. And this is my hair, guys. I made it, and guys, I did something. I tried to pierce my hair today. Guys, like this has actually been on my bucket list for bring it for a very long time, but I'm so happy that I could do this. It wasn't that painful, and I think I can do more painful things now, like seriously. And this is not going to be the last one. I think after this I'm thinking of piercing ear, and yeah, I think I did this. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, so I pierced my hair, and it's one of the most biggest things I've done this year so far. I've been dealing with motherhood for a very long time, and I'm not gonna lie, it has taken a lot of me from me. Yeah, if that is the right word to use. So I'm trying to pour back into myself now. This is one of the things I'm doing now, and I'm so grateful. It's so cute. I love it, and I think I'm going to do more.
Hi guys, good morning guys. I'm going out for a walk today. I'm already outside. I just want to say good morning. I had a long day yesterday, like a very long day. I got home around I think 8 or 9, I think 9, because I went to the hospital as well also. So yeah, and guys, I've been having issue with sleep. Like I couldn't sleep till like 4 a.m. and I was not even doing anything. But anyways, yeah, so I'm going out now. I just want to take a walk. Like I want to start counting like 10,000 steps daily, and I hope that I'm able to do that. Sorry for the noise, I'm actually outside, that's why. But yeah, I hope that I'm able to do that, and I'm able to like just to achieve my plans and goals for the month of August. Yeah, guys, I just want to like that's just it. Like I'm not fully dressed because I don't really come with gym outfit, but I just have to come up with something. Yeah, but yeah.
Let's say hi. Hi guys. Yeah. I just came back from the work. This business idea I really want to like share. So I'm going to I just let me just tell you now because I'm going to make a proper video and upload it. Probably the video should be up before this video because it's going to be like a short video. So it's just like pumping on my head now. Just when I'm done, I have a meeting soon. So when I'm done with my meeting, I'm going to make that video and I'll upload that before this video. So yeah, but it's just like I just want to like do like an experiment instead of me saying that, oh, business ideas you can do with 10,000 naira, yeah, people say that a lot. Like I've done that before. My channel, it is there. Instead of doing all sort of things, I want to do something different, and that will be like experimenting with that 10,000 naira. I want to see if it is possible to do business with 10,000 naira. So if you know anybody, but I don't know if this video will be late or not, but yeah, but I'll make a proper video and I'll drop it on YouTube, on Instagram, and also my TikTok channel page, so you can follow up. But if you know anybody, in case I upload this video before the 1st of August, because I'll be picking housewives or students that you are in Ibadan, you have to be in Ibadan, but I've not really structured how it's going to be, so maybe watch out for the next video. So I'm going to structure that out, and I think I'm going to release this video before that one. I think so. So I'm going to structure it out, and yeah, I'll see how that goes. But yeah, if you know someone in Ibadan that will need this thing, like that money, like that, it's not even money, it's a business idea, but I'll be empowering you with it. Do you get? So let me know in the comment section. Please, you don't have to follow me, you don't have to like my video, you don't have to comment. I don't need also. Better still, you can comment, because on YouTube you have to comment before I can see you, but on Instagram I'll prefer if you enter my DM. So guys, there is this thing I used to do on YouTube, like talking about how you can make money, how you can do like business with 10,000 naira, with 100,000 naira, and all sorts of things. And so I thought to myself, instead of sharing these business ideas, why can't I just say, okay, let's do a business with 10,000 and let's see, like just like an experiment, you get that kind of thing. So what I want to do is that I want to know if you know anybody. You have to be in Ibadan, because I'm currently in Ibadan right now, and I will want to guide you through the steps. So this is it. So I'll be giving 2 people 10,000 naira, and not only giving, I'm not giving you cash. I'm going to give you like, so if you want to like do like want to start like a satin bonnet or something, like a very, like you want to start Zobo, you want to do something with 10,000 naira, I will take you, we'll go to the market together, we'll buy everything, like we'll just take you through the steps. I have some ideas on my head, but if you don't want to work my ideas, that is fine. You can come with your own idea and I will guide you through. Don't forget, I have masters in business admin, so I know what it takes to own a business. I also have been in business for years, so I will take you through this journey. We'll do this together. It's just like an experiment. I think that 10,000 naira is a small money. Yeah, that's true. What's 10,000 naira? Like, it's not even enough to eat a meal in a day. But let's see what we can do with this 10,000 naira. I'll be supporting you on my socials. I'll be supporting you on everywhere I know. I just need 2 people. Then let's do this thing. If we can turn 10,000 naira to 20,000 naira in a month, yeah, that's a good thing. So that's it. So if you know anybody that will be interested, please share this video to them. And yeah, I'll see you in my DM. Ciao, ciao. Bye, your favorite Nigerian housewife.
I did that video. I was actually thinking of, okay, I should take some time, but if I should take some time off on doing that video, like I want to like think about it, I might not do that again. So I've had so many ideas that, oh, I want to do this thing, and because of maybe I'm thinking of, oh, it's not good enough, it's not this, then I'll just feel like, okay, and it will just go off. But this one, thank God, I put it, the video is out there already, and I just pray that the right person is going to see it and it's going to be beneficial to the right person. That's my prayer. I've been fighting with insomnia, so I've been having, if you can hear noise, sorry, it's I have to open the window because there has not been light in this Ibadan. I was lied to that there is light, but yeah, so I've been fighting with insomnia for like, I don't know, for like a while now. I don't really sleep well. Like yesterday I slept around 4 a.m. and I was not doing anything. Same thing with the day before yesterday. Like I've just, and it's not like I'm doing anything, like I'm not working. but just to catch a sleep, I have to just keep. Maybe I have too many thoughts on my head, maybe, but notwithstanding, I think I need to sleep. Yeah, I used to use sleeping gel, but I don't have sleeping gel anymore.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 business ideas you can do with just 10,000 naira. You may have my jotter and my pen here because I have to like write it down even with the prices, like with the current price. Guys, if you like this video, as I said, this is going to be a very short video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hope you can see me. It's currently like evening now and I've been working. Like, I was able to sleep today, thank you Jesus, because I hope you can hear me because this sounds like so loud, but yeah.
Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get
I've been
half naked.
busy. I've
Life's
been
too
so
short. Let's not waste
busy.
it, 'cause paradise.
I've been working all day. I've been working. I was able to sleep today. I used medication and I was able to sleep. I think I've just been stressed and I have a lot on my head actually. That's why I've been unable to sleep. But I was able to sleep today and I'm so grateful for that. But anyways, I'm still in Ibadan and I have so many things to do. So guys, concerning the video I made, I don't know, I think people don't really need money. I'm serious. Or maybe because 10,000 is too small. But I don't know, because like imagine I've been seeing messages like I needed 50, the 10k cannot be enough for my business plan. Can you increase it? Can you add another zero to it? Anyways, yeah, it's still open from now to the last day in July, and I just hope someone will be able to get it and get it right, but I don't know actually. Anyways, that's that. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye guys. Mwah.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.